Okay, so let's talk about how to use Instagram swipe up to build an email list. So let's say you have, and this is important because you may be going, hey, I don't have 10,000 followers. I can't do swipe up. Yes, you can. You can pay for swipe up ads. They're easy to set up, they don't cost much, and you can get really good engagement on them. So, what you want to do is you want to put together a simple landing page opt in, something like my 3 best tips for absolutely jacked out of this world biceps. Probably come up with a better name. How to get shoulder boulders so big that you won't fit through door frames, right? How to make so much money that the IRS is going to call you daily, right? Probably, again, not great names, but you get the idea. Put together a free little PDF, an ebook, or a simple challenge, and just a simple opt-in page, with which an opt-in page is just a page that has the ability to enter your email. Nice headline. I can maybe throw up some examples here of what would look good. But all you have to do is, once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times a week, whatever you feel like on your Instagram stories, if you have over 10,000 followers, just say, hey, by the way, if you haven't checked out my new guide on how to get jacked and tan at the same time, swipe up now to get that. And literally just put the swipe up little, use the little icons, by the way, because people need that command to know that they have to swipe up on that one. All they do is they go to that. Let's say you have 10,000 followers. Let's say 2,500 people see each post and 10% of those people swipe up. That's 250 people. Let's say 50% of those people opt in, which would be a good opt-in rate. That's 150, 125 people that you've got opting in right away. 125 person email list from one swipe up. And if you just continuously practice that a few times a week, you're going to start to build an email list that you own and you control, so that if the Instagram algorithm changes or your reach goes down or anything weird happens, you can continue to make money off those people, communicate with those people, build your audience, and have that following in a place you control, which is your email list. If you don't have 10,000 followers, there's a simple way to set it up in the Facebook ads platform, to set up Instagram ads, and you can do specific swipe up ads. The main thing is to make it kind of look like a normal person's story. So some people do these really fancy sort of stories, but that's not how people use stories. So if you can kind of disguise it and camouflage it as natural Instagram content, people are going to swipe up. But you've got to be super fast. So you've got 15 seconds to just get somebody to swipe up. You can do a keep watching feature. I don't want to go too far into that, but basically grab their attention within the first 5 seconds. Do something crazy if you have to. Use a pattern interrupt, which is basically a way of just getting them to be like, whoa, what is this? And then tell them to swipe up and then get them to opt into your list. It's super simple for people with a lot of Instagram followers. This is an incredible way to build an email list fast. I mean, you're talking people with hundreds of thousands of followers can build a 10,000 person email list in a day. People spend literally years and years just to build 10,000 people onto their list. You could do it overnight. Those people are worth, an email, you make $44 for every dollar spent. Best ROI you're going to get online. Great place to sell merchandise, to sell your fitness plans, to sell whatever the what I was going to say fuck, and I didn't. And I tried to say hell. I've never said hef. Whatever the fuck you want to sell, you can do it through email. And it's the safest place to make money and to build your audience.